welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I just want to say, and I want to thank all of the people who have so far subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And if you're all into beauty and hair, then just keep on watching. So today's video is all about a new Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I'm reading down because I'm looking at the product right now, but basically it is the Revlon Pro Collection hair dryer. Here it is right here. I will be reviewing this for you guys today. I used it for the very first time. My sister is the one that actually owns it. She let me use it for today's video because I seen that a lot of people are into it now. And don't get me wrong, like I went on YouTube and I saw that a lot of people have like reviewed it before, but for some odd reason everyone is purchasing this product right now, and I wanted to review it for you guys to see, you know, if it's worth your money, if you should buy it or not. Honestly, I love it. I 100% think that it is worth your money, worth your time. The only thing that I'm gonna say is that, so it is a blow dry, right? First of all, so it is gonna leave your hair with that blow dry feeling, and oh my god, let me just tell you that if you wash your hair and then you use this product, like literally your hair feels like you just came out of the salon. And I totally agree with what the box says or states. Basically it says less time and less damage. It dries and volumizes in one step for less heat damage and beautiful full body results. And 100% agreed. So if you want to know how I got this look and how I got my hair so soft, then keep on watching. I do want to say that I washed my hair and then I waited for it to be, I want to say like 89-90% dry, and then used it, because I just feel like with really wet hair you're just gonna take longer, and why not, you know. My sister has really curly hair, and she lets her hair air dry, and this literally, like this brush literally puts her hair pin straight just like mine. Just want to say that I do have like almost pin straight hair, so it is very easy to straighten my hair. The overall ending of the product is that it gives me like a blow dry feeling, and I absolutely love it. That would be the difference. So if you kind of like pin straight hair, I would still recommend for you to stick to a flat iron, which is kind of what I like. But don't get me wrong, I also like this flowy look. So for those that did watch my previous video, I just want to show you guys that by using the Fanola shampoo, you can kind of still see like the icy blonde in my hair, but yeah, you can also still tell that my hair needs a little bit more work when it comes to blonde. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got my hair really straight just like this, just keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you're not buying it. Let me know the way that you use it. I always like to hear you guys like thoughts, and like even like what would you guys recommend me doing. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video, for, you know, supporting me so far, and it really means a lot to me. So I see you in the next video.